How to fix Valorant stuck at preparing download screen. Recent Riot client update issues in 2026 caused this problem for many users. So the first thing that you need to do is fully close out of Riot client. So let's close the window. Let's head down here, right click on Vanguard and exit it. Yes. Is there anything more? Yes, there's Riot Games. Let's exit this. Now let's open Task Manager, see if they're actually closed. Okay, so now what you need to do is just reopen Riot Client. So now that you're open it, check to see if it works. If it doesn't work, use the Riot Client Repair tool. So simply click on your profile icon, go to Settings, go to Valorant, go down here and click Repair. Now if that doesn't work, make sure you delete the Riot cache files. So press the Windows key and R at the same time. Make sure you go to %local app data % and then click OK. So let's see if it's here. Here it is, Riot Games. So we're just gonna delete this. Then restart your computer and then reopen Riot Client. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.